Hello there again, Matt Dover, Special Tasks, new security minded friend. One of the questions we get at Special Tasks a lot of times is, oh, Matt, I'm on a budget. Can you give us some suggestions out there to keep us safe, to kind of cut some of the costs down, maybe simple ideas, just to we cater to the average person, so absolutely. So here's a couple things that we came up on our office talking about. These are items that I've experienced in my past life. I worked for the fire department in the past. You'll see them on firemen's helmets. You'll see like these little square blocks of wood. They use them to keep the doors open or closed for ventilation purposes. And you'll find them in your office as well. They're just door stoppers. And those door stoppers, I'll show you. I got a pack here. I bought a set for $3 for $1. They'll keep your door open, but the beauty of these tools too, it'll keep your door closed. So my suggestion is on those outward facing doors that come in, you want to take one of these and put it in your door, lock it down. You can actually trim it so it doesn't poke out a little bit, but it will give you some time. It'll buy you seconds, which equal minutes later on. Maybe give you time to get to the phone, get an alarm out there, whatever you need to do. I bought this set for like $1, pretty easy, quick, simple solution. Once again, another set this is a little taller. Now keep in mind, these don't have any metal on them. They're not going to have a screening issue. They don't take a lot of room. You take them out of the package, so it's not a problem. You can still use them at home, so it's like dual purpose. So you're getting value out. Another thing I find, and everybody thinks they have to have this high-speed alarm system, but you don't. So we found this little set. This is a little a window alarm system. Comes with a sticky back on it. Maybe one of these things here doesn't work and you can't keep that particular window or door closed. This is an alarm system. It hits 90 decibels, so it's pretty loud. It doesn't cost anything. It has a little battery in it, and it has a sticky, so you can pretty much put it anywhere. And in fact, you could put this on an item if you were concerned about it being moved. It'll sound off an alarm. So it's a quick little thing. Once again, bought it at the dollar store. My last item, and you might actually have some of these at home, but especially this one. Anybody that usually has aluminum windows, they'll have this one, which is just a clamp down for a slider window. So it's nothing too major. It's got a little screw in there, but you can buy these at your hardware store. Usually a pack of 3 for a couple dollars. These will do big dividends, especially when you're lucky enough to get one of those lower rooms right by the pool, and you got the sliding door that nobody ever locks. That's used, or the lock's broken. This is your added thing. It costs you nothing. You can put it in your luggage, and it's just one of those tools. It's cost effective. So I hope these things helped you out and give you a couple suggestions as you go forward and keep you safe out there. And as we say at Special Tasks, know before you go.